Hey guys, I'm with
Chuck.
and Cherie. We're back
We
at the
about to
airport.
we back at the airport.
Yeah.
Okay, the made it
Chuck
through.
is just like a flying machine.
I don't know about a machine, but we out here now. Made it through TSA.
Kinda,
If
barely.
you guys go to Cleveland Hopkins, this is a PSA service announcement. If you guys go to Cleveland Hopkins, do not go to Sammy's. Now, I'm sorry, Sammy, whoever the owner is, but you got to get your
It's
employees
unfortunate.
in
They're
check.
they're very not nice people.
Horrible.
And
This is
we're
twice.
not the only ones that complained. There was probably like 20 people that
I don't
came
know, but
in.
here she goes with this,
Or
this
like
stuff.
12.
I don't even know about that. There was multiple people that came in and said, "Okay, yep, there you go." Oh yeah, perfect.
Anyway.
Yeah, we were. So multiple people came in and was complaining about some of the employees that they had. The service it was horrible.
Good.
It's unfortunate, but
Yeah.
that we're not letting that deter our trip. We've stopped in Panini's.
Go see Ron.
Go see Ron at
He's
Panini's.
awesome.
Had a good time
You
here.
won't
Had a
be
nice breakfast. It
disappointed.
was cheaper. The food was delicious.
Yeah.
And yep, we about to get ready to board and be up out of here.
Miami.
Going to Miami?
No, we want sunshine and blue skies.
Yes, it's a little gloomy out there,
It
but
is.
we on our way.
Alright.
All right, y'all.
Okay. We made it to our hotel. We decided to go with the Grayson Hotel of Miami because it's closer to the port. So, this is when you first walk in. I mean, look at this huge mirror. Like, that's awesome. Hey. And then, got a little hallway down here. Got our little coffee station. Look at these little bourbon glasses. You want some Tito's. And then you open up this curtain here. Got a little nice tub. Shower. Again, the Grayson, Miami. Nice little sinks, 2 sinks. We got our own sinks here. Kind of feeling spoiled. Chuck should feel spoiled because I booked this. Charles,
Yeah.
what is this? Come here. Hurry up. You're wasting time. What is this? What is this?
What is it?
What is this? Is that your toilet? What's that?
What the hell is this? You wash your damn feet in it or something? I don't know what the hell it is. What is it?
I was like, you got your own toilet.
Huh?
That's your own toilet. You're in the way.
Okay, yeah, you can wash your feet or do something. Maybe wash the baby in there or some shit. I don't know. Maybe
What?
a dog or something. I don't know.
Get out of here. It's a toilet.
It's not a toilet. It's a sink.
What?
Yeah. It's a sink. It's not a toilet.
Oh. You wash your toes? You wash your
Yeah.
toes in here?
What that is?
Okay. But look, who's in her? Do you feel spoiled? I spoil
I
you.
feel.
I spoil you a lot, don't
I
I?
can't wait till my birthday when I start playing with stuff all January next year.
Look at
That's
this
what I say.
walk-in closet. Okay, another mirror.
I can't even book a damn fishing charter.
Why not?
Huh?
Why not? Why can't
Because
you?
of you.
But so we are at the Biscayne. Is it called the Biscayne Bay or whatever? They're doing a lot of construction over here, but this window is super cool.
This is crazy.
It's super. I
This
mean,
is honestly the nicest hotel that I've been
it's
in.
very cool. I don't know
Hotel-
about the nicest.
This is the nicest hotel room I've
Oh
ever
yeah,
been
really?
in. Absolutely.
I think it's because of these windows. We're
Yeah.
all about these windows.
I mean,
It's very nice.
it's
Very
a nice
nice.
room.
We're on the
Say
9th
anything.
floor.
Say anything.
Look at this. It's kind of windy, but this is our balcony. But you can see what I was talking about. There's the cruise ships right there. So we're like super close. Wish we wanted to be a little closer this year. Maybe because we can sleep in a little bit. Right.
That's right. So, what time you gotta be there?
Well, our embarkment time is 1. Yep.
Okay.
So, what is it saying? Welcome to Miami. Miami.
Yeah,
Miami.
yeah,
I was trying to do the Will Smith song. I can't do it. But yeah, look at that.
It's a nice
Welcome.
place.
Welcome, guests. Room 902.
Nice. You can sit here and people watch or car watch.
Car watch. Mostly, yeah. We have
cars already.
Oh, yeah.
Just watch the cars, because I mean.
Oh gosh,
Last time we were here, I couldn't believe all the damn cars.
Yeah.
I mean.
It'll probably look cool at night too.
Plus, huh?
Oh, for sure.
Oh.
I said it'll probably look cool at night.
Yeah.
But I mean, we came up and I felt like they're like, do you want us to take your luggage? Do you want this? Here's a card. Do you want your complimentary champagne? I'm like,
yeah, complimentary. You can't be a comp.
You said,
Boom.
yeah, exactly. And you
Pop the
say
top of
no.
that. And then plus, look at them right there, little Vespas down there. So, and then plus we get 2 complimentary drinks each at 5:30 to 6:30, I think is what he said.
Yeah.
On the 3rd floor.
Yes.
So I'm gonna
So
hold
we'll
off
go
on.
that.
I'm gonna drink this one from now
And then they have like
until 5:30.
a rooftop pool, which looked awesome. We walked up there. Some hot tubs.
Then 2. The one that was indoors, one was outdoors.
Yeah.
But the one indoor one was under construction. And
The outdoor one.
The one outdoor one.
Oh,
And
they were both outdoor.
But the other outdoor one was open at the other end, and there was a lot of wind. It was actually really nice.
It's very nice.
Because it was all under the shade and
Yes.
everything, and it was nice.
Yeah.
So,
It's like an infinity pool. That's what
Yeah.
it looked like.
yeah.
But, okay.
Nice work, Cher.
You're welcome.
I don't plan none of this, guys. I just kind of just show up.
Happy
and-
birthday. Birthday month.
Yeah, happy birthday month to you. I can't wait till this is over. I'm gonna tally it all up.
Okay.
Tally it all up.
Yeah, I mean, whatever.
We'll be back at a
Bye.
state campground, state park campground near you.
We will.
On a primitive site after all of this.
We're selling our camper next week.
Right.
Okay.
Oh, shoot. This is what you call the calm before the storm, right?
We had to pick up some items.
And some last minute essentials that I got confiscated at
The airport.
the airport. But yeah, the house that LeBron built, they got D Wade up here, but I don't know. I mean,
I don't look like D-Wade to me.
I don't look like D Wade.
Look at this.
They said this D Wade's house, but yeah, he did win a championship without LeBron, him and Shaq and them. But
Yeah.
we here, so I figured we just right across the street. Let's go walk over and say hey to D Wade. He's always a good player, right?
Yeah, it was.
He was. So, yeah, here we are.
Okay.
Miami Heat Arena, whatever it's called. It's beautiful out here, though, isn't it?
I know. We're getting ready to. Get ready to.
Let me have this. Let me have this. Yeah, there she is. Oop, my hand's in the picture. She getting ready to get ready to get ready. Here, take this for a second.
Get ready.
Get ready to get ready. Right?
Yes.
No, I just want to show them the view back there. It's a beautiful view,
Thank you.
including you.
Oh, that's what you were talking about.
I was. That's why I said including you.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
are you excited about this trip here?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Are you?
Yes.
What's the first thing you want to do? She asked me what's the first thing I want to do. What's the first thing you want to do when we get on this ship?
Get a mojito.
Get a mojito.
Yes.
I thought we was getting Bahama Mamas.
No, that's in the island.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So
Okay.
we going looking for mojitos.
Yes.
And where was that place we went to last year? Havana Cabana, where they gave us the mojitos with the sugar cane when we was down there.
But we're on a different ship. So.
No. That was in South Beach.
Oh, South Beach.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we had to compare them to those.
Yes.
Remember those?
Good.
Them giant ones. What'd it say?
Right.
Buy one get one. Buy one get one.
one.
Oh, lying. I got them this time though.
Okay. Well,
All right.
Let's go. Get ready.
Next thing you'll know, we'll be at that terminal. Is that what they call it? The port.
Terminal.
All right.
I don't know.
See y'all. Okay, here we are.
How you get in here?
I have no clue.
Okay.
What I gotta do?
Open.
Unlock.
Oh, there we go. Gosh. Where's our driver? Where's our driver?
Ouch.
Chuck, you better get up there. Says good morning, Charles. Look at this. Okay. Here we are. Where's our driver? Oh, start ride.
This is what they call Waymo.
Oh gosh. You can just record. You don't have to. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Look at this. This is Waymo. We're in Waymo. Woo!
Yeah, Waymo almost flipped that car.
Come on, Waymo.
Waymo hitting the gas.
Oh, it says buckle your seatbelt. Oh shoot. Got a little too excited. A little too excited. Could you imagine this?
No.
Like back in, like, what is that movie called? Back to the Future?
Yeah. Back to the Future.
Is that what it's called?
No, heck no.
What's it called?
It's
Back to the Future.
Back to the Future?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna say no, the one with Bruce Willis. That's the one.
What one?
I can't remember what it's called. I'm gonna turn the temp down on this thing. Look at this.
Okay. Oh, you're on the app turning the temp down?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
Look at, you can do it on there or on your app.
Yeah. Distributed leg
Okay,
room.
Waymo.
Front.
So it stops at the pedestrian.
Oh no. Rear.
It stops at, oh, because it sees a pedestrian. Wow, look at that.
So I slid the seat forward. I wanted more leg room.
Okay, this is wild.
Yeah.
All right.
See if there's anything else here. Okay, yep.
What does it say?
That's about it.
That's it?
I can go to music here. iHeartRadio.
Okay, you can turn different
Check this
channels.
music.
Yeah.
Oops. Okay, that's enough. I'll turn it down for video purposes.
Copyrighted.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably can't even record that, huh?
So what do you think about this?
This is crazy.
Let me see the camera.
Oh boy.
Yeah, this dude is whipping. I tell you that.
Slow down.
He does.
What's our speed limit right now?
I think it goes to. He's very touchy on his brakes.
How do you know
Or
it's
she is.
speed?
She is. She's very touchy on her
Yeah,
brakes,
Okay.
and she hits the gas and swerving and stuff, yanking the wheel. Seems very, very, very familiar.
Okay. Whatever.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh boy, what's happening?
Yeah, well, it doesn't want to hit this lady here.
Okay.
It knows it's in a construction zone.
Okay. That's nice. It went around a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you have that camera on your
I
face?
just want to show you. We're in traffic here, but this is absolutely insane.
It is wild.
Right?
This is wild. We seen this. We thought there was like we seen this car with like these cameras. We're like, what are they doing? Like,
Yeah.
recording for YouTube or something?
Mhm.
And then we're like, oh my gosh, there's nobody driving it.
Yeah. It shows like all the cars in front of it, behind it, and all the stuff on the app. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's taking us back to our hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is crazy.
This is crazy. So we were gonna do this in Vegas, but we ended up not doing it, right?
No, I don't know why we didn't. But
Yeah. But we're doing it now.
yeah.
This is a short trip. We just wanted to give her a gander and
Yeah.
see what the future is like.
This is crazy.
It is
And
very
then
crazy.
we need one of these.
What do you mean we need one of these?
I would be like, okay, so take me to.
Oh, you saying just to have one? Yeah, I hear you.
I need one.
Yeah.
I just sit in the back seat and read a book or something.
Yeah, get you a Jag. Wait
Yes.
a Jaguar.
Yes, it is.
Crazy.
It is.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so they were building us last year. They've made some progress, but this morning, my man was up there first thing at like 5 o'clock working. But look now. He in the porta potty. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Oh my gosh, no way.
Yeah, he tethered off.
Oh,
I like to see that. But they done hoisted a porta potty all the way up there. I mean, where else are they supposed to go?
yeah.
That's wild. Okay, now we're gonna go to the ship.
So excited.
There's that Oprah voice. It's that Oprah voice.
Over voice. All right. All right, we're getting on.
Look at Cher Bear. Look at
Cher
this.
Bear.
Look at you. All for your
VIP.
birthday. Look at you.
VIP.
It's smelling good.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, you
I
got
got
one.
yours.
Thank you,
Yep.
thank you. Let me have. Thank you. Look at you. It's 10 o'clock.
Yeah, that's 2 feet.
10 o'clock. But they say it's 5 o'clock somewhere. I went out of my way to join the team, okay? Here I am.
Now we just gotta get him some boots.
I don't know about the boots.
Raise your hands, Blue Lagoon. Make some noise.
Yeah, woo!
Very good. So please.
Thousands and thousands more
there's
people.
So many more people.
It's crazy.
Please remain seated for your continued safety.
Salt, briny, a lot of citrus,
Right?
a little bit of spray,
You guys enjoy that?
the mango.
Citrus. Okay.
Man,
This is the story of my life. Chuck
Oh, here we go.
always act like he know where to go.
I did.
I know where to go. See, remember, this is where that we ate here.
I
And
did.
This is where we seen that bird fly.
Yep.
And this is where, you know, we seen who.
can I ask you a question? I'm gonna get this and take a nap, a little nappy nap.
And I took a nap.
Yep.
Sipping on some coffee. And get ready to hit the island. I got 6.
Yeah, winner over there.
Yeah, and a winner right here,
Winner right
baby.